Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick, and this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the light cream black colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick. So giving you a look at the shoe before I start handling it as it sits in the box packaging. And now let's pop the left shoe out and focus just on the left side first before taking a look at the right side and then the pair together. So as you can see, it does have that light cream black colorway. And just giving you an all-round look. Okay, so let's set the box just to the side of the frame and focus on the left shoe side first, or left foot. So just setting the box on the left hand side of the frame and just tidying up the laces slightly by popping them back into the shoe. So right there, out of the way, giving you a nice clear look at this Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick. So right there, giving you a 360 rotation, and out come the laces. So taking a close-up look, you can see that it does have a light cream faux fur upper cover and a very highly textured vulcanized midsole and a very rich white. And you can see the aglet of the laces do have a nice gold coloring to them, and they're capped at the ends as well, so very fine detail there. And just trying to get it in focus. And moving right along towards the back or heel area of the Nike SB Blazer Low, you can see it does have the MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick logo. And a black faux fur heel tab with the Nike branding. So taking a look at the inner side of the left shoe, you can see that Nike swoosh is also with a nice or very unusual faux fur covering. And right there, all the details up close, and of course taking a quick look inside the insole. So it does have the Zoom Air unit, which is commonly found in the Nike SB Blazer shoes, even though it doesn't usually get advertised that much about it. And taking a look at the sole, we can see that it does have that familiar herringbone design in a light gum colorway. giving you a close-up look as to the texture and stiffness of the sole material in the light gum colorway. And once again giving you that look all around, and then we'll take an even closer up look from the front to the back. And giving you that 360 rotation again, this time doing it very slowly as best as I can. And out come the laces again. And just going to tuck the laces back in, and let's take a look at this left shoe from the front all the way to the back, head on. So right there you can see the highly textured with a pretty much bird's nest type weave design of the midsole. And taking a look top down at the front, you can see that pretty rough mohair type faux fur cover in the light cream colorway. And moving right along, you can see the highly textured laces as well. And of course we reach the tongue with the MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick logo or branding on the tongue tab. And taking a look inside as well. And as I mentioned earlier, the golden capped laces with the golden aglets on them. And you can see the Nike SB Bear Brick MEDICOM Toy co-branding on the insole of the shoe. And taking a look at the reverse side of the tongue tab, the common Nike SB literature. And then once again, that Bear Brick logo. And just giving you a look at the texture, with me running my index finger along the different panels and surfaces of this faux fur light cream color, and that black faux fur on the heel tab as well. So brushing against the material, it still stays pretty much in place. But it does, of course, have some freedom to move by touching it. Okay, now let's take a look, actually, before we take a look on the right shoe side. Let's do a quick flex and bend test. So let's bend the shoe just to give you some idea of the material and how it performs under some pressure with just hand flexing and twisting. Sorry there. Giving you a look at the way it responds with just some hand twisting and bending. Okay, now let's take a look at the right foot side, so setting the left shoe down and moving back to the box, popping it open and popping out the right foot side and tucking the wrapping paper back in. And let's look at the right shoe or right foot side. See, it does come with a pack of laces in a slightly brighter white than the laces that are pre-fitted onto the shoe, and these ones have a silver stainless steel capped aglets on the laces, and of course the Nike SB branding in the packet, so giving you a look right there at this right shoe side or right foot side of this Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick. And just going to tuck the laces in so they don't interfere with us taking a look around at the shoe. Okay, so let's take a close-up look. As you can see, same close-up details, but this time around on the right shoe side. And you can really see that light cream black colorway against that very highly textured white midsole. And running my index finger again against the or along or across the upper cover of this faux fur material. So pressing down as well, just to give you some idea as to the softness. So nice and interesting to the touch. And that Bear Brick branding at the outer heel area. And Nike black heel tab. And of course, let's take a look at the padding as well. So pretty hard padding without being too thick around the ankle collar of the shoe. Now let's take a look at the pair together. So right there in my hands, so that's the Nike SB Blazer Low X MEDICOM Toy Bear Brick. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!